Hello parents and guardians, Mr. Peppy here. Now today I'm going to show you how to use your take-home sound deck. We use this sound deck every single day in Phonics and our literacy program, and this is in order to teach our students the phonemes, and they are the sounds that correlate with the letters within our alphabet. We use this to decode, help our students blend words together for their take-home readers and decodable books. So, without wasting any more time, I'm going to do the entire sound deck for you. Listen carefully. Here we go. S, snake, S. A, apple, A. T, top, T. P, pig, P. I, igloo, I. N, nest, N. M, man, M. D, dog, D. G, goat, G. O, ox, O. C, cat, K. E, egg, E. U, up, A. R, rat, R. H, hat, H. B, boy, B. L, lamp, L. F, fish, F. J, jar, J. K, kite, K. V, van, V. W, wagon, W. X, box, X. Y, yo-yo, yo. Z, zebra, Z. Q, queen, Qu. Now, with each of these letters, we obviously are going through the letter ID, which is the letter S, the picture and the illustration to demonstrate the first initial sound, and then the phoneme that correlates. S, snake, S. When you receive your phoneme card deck, the illustrations will not be in colour, so if you wish to take your time and colour those in with your children, that is your choice. They are laminated here as well, and that will help them stand the test of time and vigorous use. We use these every single day, as I mentioned earlier. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, I'm going to do this sound deck one more time. I'm just going to do it a lot slower. So if you'd like to use this secondary part of me going through with your students, I would like them to repeat the letter ID, the picture, and the sound after each card. Here we go. Far slower version. S, snake, S. A, apple, A. T, top, T. P, pig, P. I, igloo, I. N, nest, N. M, man, M. D, dog, D. G, goat, G. O, ox, O. C, cat, K. E, egg, E. U, up, A. R, rat, R. H, hat, H. B, boy, B. L, lamp, L. F, fish, F. J, jar, J. K, kite, K. V, van, V. W, wagon, W. X, box, X. Y, yo-yo, yo. Z, zebra, Z. Q, queen, Qu. Q and U always go together because they are best friends. That is the sound deck twice for you. As I said, if you have any questions, please get in contact with your teacher or myself, and we can explain or go through the cards, the reasons why we do breath of air for the sound of P, P, is so that we don't have that schwa on the end of it. We don't want our students pronouncing P as a singular P Okay, it's a breath of air. P. So that when we teach them how to spell words like penny, it is a p, e, n, e. Perfect, parents. Thank you, and I hope this helps.